Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva's Magic Eraser. This powerful tool allows you to effortlessly remove unwanted elements from your photos, making your designs look polished and professional. Whether it's a stray object or a distracting background detail, the Magic Eraser helps you achieve a clean image in just a few simple steps, enhancing your overall design quality. To begin, first upload your desired image into your Canva design or choose one you've already added. Once your image is on the canvas, click on it to reveal the editing toolbar at the top. Look for the Edit Photo button and click it. Within the Photo Editing panel, you will find the Magic Eraser tool, ready for you to use. Now, with the Magic Eraser selected, you will see a brush appear. Adjust the brush size using the slider to best fit the object you wish to remove. Carefully paint over the unwanted element. The tool will then intelligently analyze the area and seamlessly erase it. For larger objects, you might need to paint in sections. Repeat this process until all distractions are gone. After erasing, take a moment to carefully review your image for any small areas that might have been missed or any unintended alterations. If you need to adjust an erasure, simply use the Undo button. Once you are satisfied with the results, click Done or Apply to finalize your edits. Your image is now perfectly clean and ready to be incorporated into your design.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.